Yeah. What's going on, Bill? Can you walk?
Yeah.
Just about.
Yeah.
Just about. Man's got his legs, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot.
Mate, I got this shit nailed now.
Man's got it.
I was just trying to think to myself, like, can you pause that for 2 seconds?
No. We're live. We're not poisoning and talking about whatever you want to talk about. Because no, it's going to be bad influence. What does that say? Friday Night Fever! Exactly what it is. But we can actually, if you want to just rock in here a sec. Alright. I guess I'm the one. Let me see if I can get this to work. Cleaning the windows in May.
Because I'm both the fucking twins. And I've been fucking doing that for the last 5 years. Everything fucking like that. Well, fuck
Bill,
you!
come spin
I'm
it.
turning that shit on.
Yeah, come spin it.
Oh no, you get a 5-minute run. Oh, bro.
Come spin it.
You get a 5-minute run.
Spin it once. Just spin it once.
No, you have to
Get it
pay the
spinning.
money. You have to pay the money, the admission fee, and it costs money. Do you want to run the ride?
Do I want to buy the ticket?
Yeah. Do you want to buy the ticket?
Fucking run, bro.
I don't think it's gonna kill you, man.
Just spin me. Spin me. Just get.
No, that's a
spin.
faggy way of doing it. Oh yeah, faggy, fucking faggy, fucking
Okay.
Ow! Let me put it on for 3 minutes. Let me just put it on. No, it's not even 3 minutes.
For 3 minutes, by the way. For 3 minutes. Oh, it's
That's
great.
what NASA's fucking on about, mate. You can't.
One man.
You're pulling about a Mac 10 in that bitch. Yo, let's do it. Fuck it.
I'll get in it if you'll spin it.
I'll pay.
Hold up. Let me just.
I'll
try
pay
and
the
grab
money,
myself. Let me go.
I'll rip it open if it starts killing you.
No, just spin it. Just spin it.
No, let me
Just
put
spin
the
it.
money
Just
in.
spin it. Look, it'll spin it. Just spin it.
Hang on, you get ready.
Yeah. Fuck.
Let me put money in. Let me put money.
Get the stream up. Bring the stream in.
Yeah,
and
let
spin
me,
it.
and let me put
Bring
the
it-
money
no,
in the
just-
machine.
Bring the stream here.
I'm
and you
putting
spin
the
it.
money in the machine.
No, Bill, don't put money in the machine.
Yeah,
You
fuck
can spin
right.
it. Bill,
this
you
is
can
brilliant.
spin it.
What
Bill,
are you?
You can spin it.
H6.
No, Bill, stop. You're putting too much money in a machine that you don't need to fucking...
No, it's ready to go now. It's
Well, at least put my socks in it.
beeped, isn't it?
At least let me get my stream, right?
I'll put you on
I'll
extra
bring
hot.
it in with me.
Yeah, this is it. As soon as you open it, it turns off. I've been doing my laundry here for ages. Mate.
Kick the door open,
Yeah. I've been doing my
Hold
laundry.
on. Let me...
Just take the phone. Just take the phone. Mate, this is fucking, mate. Don't worry, I've done it before.
Just make sure I can fucking kick the...
Look,
Door.
look, it's open.
Alright, cool. Yeah, game on.
What do you want? Number hottest?
I want it on cool fucking... Cool
Right,
spin,
The
bro.
hottest and the longest, yeah?
For fuck's sake. Ah! Fuck! No! Whoa! Ah! That's nuts! Do it again! Do it again! Do it again! Whoa! Fuck you! This is sick! Ah! Yo, it's getting hot in here, bro! Yo! I actually just farted. That was awesome. Ah!
I told you.
Ah!
You got fucking.
That was fucking sick, man.
Get back in. You got like.
Oh, you get go, bro.
Okay.
Straight up. You're not getting the nut. That's so much fun.
Am I getting in a tumble dryer? Are you mental?
Oh, I don't know if I'm catching this. Hold up.
Mate, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Are we catching this? For sure. I hope we're catching this. I really do. Right. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna set it on one last fucking cycle.
Owes me money.
That thing owes him money. By the way. Shit, man. I had to swig a beer before I go in.
That's my bit.
I don't give two fucks.
I've done this before. It's safe. Get in. You know something you don't know.
Put on the windows. Come on!
Alright.
22!
Mom.
Hut!
You get miles or you get fucking straight.
I'm going to Jupiter, buddy!
Stratosphere, motherfucker.
I think we should be leaving right now. I think we might have broken it. I just think we might have broken it.
You're such a pussy. I was like every time.
Bro, it wouldn't even swing me around like the first time it did. Hold up, I need to get myself into some light. That place is far too much, I can't go in there.